Yeah, so Brad decides to put the citronella candle on top of the fire pit. And it's like burning wax everywhere.
That's fire.
That's a fire. Whoa, holy. Beth and Brad's Camping Adventures Part 2. Too fine.
Only you can prevent forest fire.
Too fine for burning down Chinecto.
Feel a little heat?
It's a little bit of heat there happening. You happy with that fire, baby?
That's a fire.
Yeah. Whoa, holy. Alrighty. Good thing our steaks weren't on there.
It would be bug-free.
Oh no.
Ooh, this is hot.
Melt down our crib table. Alrighty. Stay tuned.
It's a bonfire.
It's a bonfire. A bonfire.